here are 6 reasons why you should be using a VPN or virtual private network. Hey, I'm Rene Eliz, and I am a digital creator who shares digital tips and resources. A VPN or virtual private network allows you to access the internet in a way that is private, secure, and anonymous. Safeguarding your online privacy is more crucial than ever. The world is constantly evolving and digitally transforming. Regular people like you and myself should be using a VPN or virtual private network. Number 1 is less tracking. So if you want to hide your location or even just protect some of the searches that you are doing online, you're doing some research or preparing something or a document, you need to protect yourself. A second reason why you should be using a VPN or virtual private network is accessing content in another region. So we have some information that can be censored, and in order to get access to this censored information, we have to change our location. You are not physically changing your location, you're actually virtually changing your location, which then gives you access. Therefore, once you virtually change your location with a VPN, the VPN can now tunnel through to that location, masking your IP address. So it'll actually look like you actually live in that country. Therefore, you are able to access that hidden content that you might not be able to access in another country. Okay, so the third reason to be using a VPN is actually to minimize a hack attack while using public Wi-Fi. I mean, we all love access to the internet, but that does come with a lot of issues, and that means privacy and security. There's always people watching, there's always somebody looking to gain access to something. So if you need free Wi-Fi, a VPN will definitely minimize the attack from an outsider. So number 4 is a bit similar to accessing content outside of your region, but it's not outside of your region. It's actually outside of your school or work network. So if you guys do notice, when you are at school or you are at work and you are searching something on the internet, depending on what you are actually searching, something might actually come up, or a pop-up might actually come up on your screen to say you do not have access. These are just implementation policies that each work or school puts into place for their employees or students to follow. The only way to actually get around this firewall that your work or school has presented is to use a VPN if you do not have the actual admin access to remove that blockage. Number 5, privacy. Who doesn't want their privacy? Who doesn't need privacy? Again, we are living in a digital age, and getting information sometimes can be so easy, maybe a little too easy, to the point where we don't want certain things out there. And a VPN can definitely minimize and protect what we are actually sending out digitally into the world. And last but not least is number 6, and that is security. So protecting yourself, again, comes not only with privacy, but security. How secure is your network? How secure is the information that you want privied to your eyes only? These are just 6 different reasons why you need to use a VPN more than ever in 2021. Why Norton Secure as a VPN and virtual private network? The ease of usability, privacy, security, and transparency. A lot of these companies who offer a VPN service will actually tell you that they are not logging any information, and in all honesty, some of them actually are. If you are not tech savvy, you will not know what to look for. I've actually included a link below to get you started to safeguarding your online privacy. XOXO.